We look back at the starters for Tikas, Manalang, Bragais, Francisco Rivera, and Santos. For Kamsur, it's Borbe, Magpantay, Ariate, and the two Malyapres. That's point 3. That's point 3 on the shot clock. And Borbe, he scores. Kamsur now at the scoreboard. Here's Manalang, being guarded closely by Malyapre. Na steal by Malyapre. Malyapre to the goal. 4-2. And Vincent. And now we have Borbe to the lane. Outside pass. Eugene Malyapre uses the window. And Manaloto. Francisco on top. Jenmar Bragais on the left side. Passes it. Nice pick by Rivera. Picks it out. Bragais from the outside. It is a 3-point shot. Tikas now on the board. Borbe fakes. Borbe goes up and scores. Borbe now with 4 points. He loses it. Borbe forward pass. Medwin Ariate lays it in for 2 points. 14-5, and now Kamsur has the ball. They have the numbers. Ariate bounce pass. Eugene Malyapre is hacked. It off to Redondo. Redondo back to Habonete. Fires a 3 off the back rim. Redondo with the rebound. Almario tries a 3 and he scores. 3-point shot. Being pressured by Sablaon. Munoz nearly losing his balance. The floater is good for Jake Munoz. Miss with 8 on the shot clock. Bragais drop pass inside. Pablo is denied. Down by 8 points. Magpantay against Bragais. He escapes. Bragais. Magpantay to the goal. He scores. Berman Magpantay is. So now it's 22-11. Bragais looking to answer. He fakes. Turnaround shot over to Magtoy. Lim. Ganya with the screen. Another screen by Ganya. Pick and roll. Ganya from the outside. Got it! CJ Ganya. Abonete attacks Pablo. There's a foul on Pablo. To the lane. As we have Abonete focusing on this free throw. Second shot is good. 2 for 2. And now in the second quarter of game 5, Roniel Gomez to the goal. He scores. Roniel Gomez. Gomez on top. Short. And Magpantay grabs the miss. And a steal by Tikas. Bragais in traffic. Francisco for 2. Tikas to slice the gap. Inside to Bragais with the layup. And that's a place 3. Torres yet to score here in the second. As Can with a crossover. Zigzagging his way. Can scores and 1. And Can flexes his muscles. Look at this drive by Can. The zigzag. And then the finish by Lancer Can. And now we are tied at 24. Can's first 2 of the game. Bonus shot falls. Ariate passes inside. Eugene Malyapre, the leaner, is good.
Eugene Malyapre.
And that's the first 2. Isidro on top. No goal. And Victoria with the offensive rebound, but is Kapampangan. After that rebound by Victoria, Manalang zigzagging. Outside to Munoz. Can from the corner. Got it! Answer this to the wrong guy. Here's Can. Can across to Manalang. Manalang thinking 3. Passes it to Santos. Straight away 3. Around and in! Santos connects from the outside, and Kamsur bounce pass to Borbe against a smaller defender. That's Manalang. Borbe kicks it out. Ariate with 7 on the shot clock against Santos. He drives to the basket. The layup is good for Medwin Ariate. With 5 points, lead down to 1. Can the drive, kick out. Munoz hangs and he scores. Kapampangan, can the drive outside of Ganya, and they will reset. Gomez, crossover against Ariate, outside pass, Nico Santos open for this three. Nico Santos, he's against Jerome Almario, hands it off to Bragais. Bragais with 8 on the shot clock. The screen by Victoria. Bragais kicks it out. Munoz open from the left corner. Too strong. Victoria offensive rebound. Victoria scores and one. At the end of tonight's game. And we will return after this break. Pampanga up by 5. I'm Ruben Terrado here live at the Pampanga State University here in Bacolor. The home team with the basketball. Long two by Bragais is good to start off the third. Borbe at left against Santos. Passes it to Habonete. The drive to the basket by Ariate for two. We have Manalang. Outside pass. Santos wide open for this one. That's a three. Nico Santos knocks down his Ariate, bounce pass to Almario, the jumper, uses the window. Uses to pass it to Bragais. Bragais with the ball against Borbe. The pull-up by Bragais is good. And here's Bragais, bounce pass. Rivera. No look pass inside. Santos for 2 and 1. Shade Rivera with a beautiful pass. Now is at 10. Look at the no look pass to Santos for the deuce. And bonus shot is good for me. Matter saves it to Can. 5-on-4 advantage for Ticas. Can the drive inside. And Lancer Can. Mario the inbounder. Bounce pass. Ariate wide open using the window for two. Here in game 5, Lancer Can with the ball. The drive, the spin move, the drop pass. Francisco scores! What a play! The shot, it drops for Almario. Guarded by Francisco. Looking to attack once again. To the paint. Habonete with a short stab. And here's Ariate. Ariate against Manalang. The drive, no look pass. The wraparound to Habonete and one. And now Kamsur can tie this to nothing run as you watch this wraparound pass. Habonete the ball fake. And then the basket. Look at the highlight play. The pump fake by Habonete. And then the conversion. And now Habonete can tie the game up in favor of Ticas. Manalang is good. That's the first 2 points of Jasper Manalang. And there's a foul. And look at the reaction of Jasper Manalang. And a technical foul has been given. Goes to his left. Manalang the drive. The high looping shot. Ganya with the follow-up. Bonete against Nico Santos. Sabonete looking to attack. Passes it to Magpantay against Ganya. Magpantay tries a 3-point shot. Around and in. Herman Magpantay. Jenmar Bragais takes this 3. He answers. Jenmar Bragais from downtown. Now a 6-point lead for Ticas. Crossover by Almario. Steps back. 3-point shot. And Jerome Almario nails that one. Manalang working against Ariate. Bounce pass to Lancer Can. Can the drive inside. Can the left-handed layup. Using the window for Magpantay to Malyapre. Ariate has it. 8 on the shot clock. Magpantay straight away 3. He got it. And we are tied at 64. Inside to Victoria for Ticas against Malyapre. Turnaround. 100 is good. There's a Victoria. They go to Magpantay again. 3-point shot once again. Herman Magpantay back-to-back threes by Borbe. They are running. Almario kicks it out to Sablaon. Sablaon running shot. It drops. Sablaon with a running shot. That is his first 2 of the game. And posting up. Victoria Loses it. Sablaon with a steal. Sablaon escapes Manalang. Sablaon the drive, the layup is good! That's a place 3. Mario, the lob inside! And the finish! Alley-oop play to Habonete. Game 5. Ariate wants the screen. 3-point shot by Ariate! He knocks down the 3! And Ariate, the hero of their semi-final series against Taguig, knocking down an important 3 here in Game 5. Watch it again, a high looping 3 by Medwin Ariate, and Kamsur now with a... And Manalang with a steal. The drop pass. Santos go through. And Dicas Habonete. Santos to beat. And Kamsur gets an opportunity as Almario scoring on the running shot. 6-point game sequence here. Manalang outside to Bragais. The guys will set things up for Dicas. They trail by 6. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Manalang wide open. For 3. Borbe has it. To the shoot. Borbe from the outside. And the rebound by Ganya. And there's a push. And it's going to be 2 free throws, I believe. Kamsur with a foul. To the line, watch the play. Borbe with a 3 with a shot clock winding down. And then look at Ganya. And then Ariate with a push. This will send Ganya to the line. And looks like Ganya will take a free 3. This is a free 3. If he scores this one, it is going to be a tied ball game. And we have seen Ganya hit his free 3s. Ganya, free 3 is good! We are tied! Guarded by Manalang, 10 on the shot clock. They go to Habonete. Pass. Almario wide open. For 3! Kamsur with a huge one. As Jerome Almario knocks down a 3. Look at this play. The last second pass by Habonete and Almario, who again did not play in the game in Game 4, knocking down that 3. The ball goes to Bragais. Bragais one-on-one against Almario. Bragais still has it. Fade away, 3-point shot, does not fall. Battle for the rebound. The tip won't work. Kamsur has it. And there is going to be a foul on Dicas with 33 seconds remaining. Foul on Renzo Victoria as we watch the fadeaway. That was a tough 3 by Genmar Bragais, and then the crucial rebound by Ariate. And now Ariate have a chance to increase this lead. Ariate first free throw, it goes in. The second free throw, no go. Castillo has a chance. Bragais attacks, kicks it out. Can for 3. Lancer Can. The lead is down to 1 with 24 seconds left. And then dishing it out to Lancer Can. Contested 3 and he knocks that one home. Sa defense, bounce pass. Sablaon. Habonete, no foul. They go to the corner, magpantay. Clock winding down. Almario still has the ball. Coach Jeff Chan wants a foul. And there's the foul. Almario will shoot a pair with 7 seconds left. Almario looking to escape. And finally the foul by Lancer Can with 7.5 seconds. Still a lot of time, but again the frustration on the face of Jeff Chan. He wanted the foul earlier. No good in the first. This crowd. He knocks it down. And Coach Jeff Chan has requested for a timeout. Passes it to Victoria. Victoria with 5 on the clock. Bragais still with the ball. Can for the championship. Too strong. Bragais throws it up. It's over. It's over. It's over. For the first time, Kamsur, an NBL champion. The Express have won it on the road.
2025 season President's Cup champions,
Again, for the first time ever here in the NBL, since being one of the pioneer teams in 2018, the Kamsur Express have finally won it all. Kamsur Express, the champions. Coach Momomoto congratulating their opponents, Genmar Bragais, in tears. And there's a lot of tears of joy on the side of the Kamsur Express. Ma'am Aya Gomez consoling his players. And on the other side, Kamsur celebrating this hard-earned championship. What a road for the Kamsur Express. Jerome Almario with that huge three-point shot. As the confetti has fallen here, and again, we have to emphasize this. This is the first championship of the Kamsur Express here in the NBL. Since being one of the pioneer teams after the league was founded in 2018. A lot of heartbreaks for the Kamsur Express over those years. And finally, after 8 years, the Kamsur Express are your champions of the NBL. And again, it looked like the Express were destined to win this championship. Again, they were down 1-0 in the series against the multiple champions, the Taguig Generals, in that semifinal series. But they found a way to win that series thanks to that heroic three-point shot by Medwin Ariate. And then come this final series. And again, it looked like destiny was on the side of Kamsur. In game 2, it was Sablaon knocking down that buzzer-beating three to tie the series. And then it looked like Kamsur was again on the ropes when Tikas won game 3. But Kamsur once again found a way to tie the series, winning game 4 in overtime. And then here in game 5, it was Jana Bonete and the rest of the Kamsur Express coming up big in the clutch to win this finals of the President's Cup. Look at Coach Momomoto in tears. In tears, that's Coach Momomoto claiming his first ever NBL crown. What a road for him. He was a champion coach in the youth level, in the regional level, and now on the national stage. Coach Momomoto, a champion coach here in the National Basketball League. And again, a lot of tears of joy on the part of the Kamsur Express.